Welcome to Shifting Words, a dynamic and interactive game that helps build connections, improve focus, and encourage communication. Let's dive into how to play this engaging activity. Step 1. Begin by having everyone move around the room. The key here is to move crosswise without touching anyone else. Stay aware of your space and focus on the task ahead. Step 2. As you move, make eye contact with others. The goal is to engage in a connection. When two participants make eye contact, they stop, shake hands, and say their names out loud. Step 3. After introducing yourselves, you will borrow each other's names. For example, if Sasha meets Peter, she will now introduce herself as Peter and vice versa. Keep walking around with your new name as you meet more people. Step 4. Keep moving around the room, shaking hands, and passing your new names along to others. The game becomes a fun, fast-paced chain of name exchanges as everyone takes on new identities. Step 5. The game continues until each participant receives their real name back. When you do, don't forget to say your last borrowed name before leaving the game, respecting the flow and the group. Step 6. Once you've got your real name, leave the game area quietly and without disruption, so those still participating can enjoy the activity in peace. After the game, take a moment to reflect on your experience. Here are some questions to consider. What do I have to do or respect to engage in this activity? How did the group dynamics change during the game? How do you feel when you don't succeed in finishing the game? Would you want to keep trying until everyone gets their real name back? Great job! Changing the words helps strengthen group bonds, fosters a deeper connection, and encourages self-awareness. Remember to focus, stay engaged, and have fun while learning. Ready to play? Gather your group and start your own version today.